You already know what it is. It's your girl, Miss Try New Things. Okay? I got the Big Mac McChicken. And I got, well, my wife got, what you want to call it? Big
Mac fish.
Big Mac fish that she ordered at McDonald's. And they actually did it for her. She's going to eat this. I'm just letting y'all know what it looked like. 2 fish patties. Big Mac style. Period. Here you go, babe. But yes, we about to see exactly what this is hitting for. It look a little dry though. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what it's hitting for. Let's get into it.
As you know, if you bring back all 3 of these items, you can pick up an additional $250. Yeah. Okay, they are.
Damn.
Taste picante sauce, Flex shampoo, and Hunt's chili beans. Now, you find these in the checkout counter. Be sure to remind your shoppers of those items on the shopping list whenever
That's good.
change their baskets. The Team Boost runners squeeze up the most money in merchandise and bonus prizes.
It tastes like a McChicken.
Wins the game and the right to go for $5,000 in cash.
It tastes like a. It tastes like a McChicken with mac sauce on it. That's all that is. It's good though. I heard some people didn't like it, but it's good. It's good. If you like McChickens, you'll like this. My wife said the fish good too. I can't believe they actually made it for her though, but they did. So if you're out and about, you're hungry, and go try it. Some people like it, some people don't. Me personally, it's good. If you like McChickens, then that's just what it is. I got a 10 to my dog, but it's your girl, Miss Ty. Things. Period.